And Tim is here now. He has been tracking this storm, and some pretty interesting numbers are coming out of it, too.
Yeah, if the forecast was to verify, first major hurricane of the season, also the first to hit the United States in 12 years. The last was Wilma in 2005. So if it was to forecast out and become a Category 3 before it makes landfall, which is the forecast right now, certainly a possibility. Look at the imagery here on the satellite. Really looking healthy out there in the last few hours. The central pressure has been dropping all day long, 19 millibars. That's a big drop. I know you're thinking, what the heck is a millibar? Well, it's the central pressure there, the way we measure that. And when it falls that much in a day, that's a big deal. And as it moves northwestwards towards the Corpus Christi coastline, it's going to continue to strengthen, likely becoming a hurricane by the later parts of the day today. And notice by landfall, a major Category 3 hurricane somewhere along the southeastern Texas coastline by late Friday into early Saturday morning, with winds up to 115 miles an hour. And then once it hits the coast, kind of hits a roadblock and stalls out. That's why they're expecting so much rain in that area. There's a live look here close at home. Nothing to worry about today, tomorrow, really through the next couple of days. Nice, sunny, dry weather on the way here as high pressure is building on in. That's going to provide us beautiful weather through the upcoming weekend with very comfortable temperatures and low humidity. The weekend, as I mentioned there, about 10 out of 10 both days. Satellite imagery this afternoon. A few fair weather clouds out there, but that's really about it. Really making for a nice afternoon here on your Thursday. A temperature coming in at 81. Dew point it's been dropping all morning down to 65, 58% humidity. It's feeling much nicer than it had been for the remainder of the week. 80 in Gloucester right now, 82 Chesapeake, 78 in Ahoskie, 84 Williamsburg, 78 in Wachapreague, and 83 in Elizabeth City. Take a look at some of these dew points, much different from where we were yesterday. Everybody was in the mid to upper 70s. Now we're in the low to middle 60s, so the comfort index out there much higher today. Here's how it looks on Futurecast going through the rest of the day today, pretty much where we are right now. Temperatures topping out a degree or two warmer than where we are, with our winds coming in out of the north to northeast. Temperatures tonight fall back into the mid 60s. Great sleeping weather, but a little bit of a change to the forecast for tomorrow. I originally called it my pick of the week. We're going to see a few more clouds as a very weak upper level system works on through here, and that could fire off an isolated shower for some of us. Temperatures very similar to where we are today, upper 70s to around 80 to 81, and then things clear out by the time we get to Saturday morning and we look at a really nice weekend ahead. So 82 today, partly cloudy, cooler and less humid. Northeast winds at 5 to 10. Tonight we fall back into the 60s. Very comfortable sleeping weather. 80 tomorrow. Put about a 15% chance of an isolated shower in the mix there. And then by Saturday and Sunday, got mostly sunny skies, low humidity, and well below average temperatures topping out in the upper 70s. And that spills over right into early next week.
Well, we have to be grateful, especially in the face of what the Gulf is looking at right now.
Yeah.
So, all right. Thank you, Tim.